This week's Gallery Docker, we checked out Flash Flood for a Living River.
I love you, mother. I love you, mother. Oh, mother, I love you.
This is the pre-party at the Santa Fe Art Institute. They were singing an open call for art exhibitions or art exhibits, and also poetry written about water. All of the art that was donated had a water theme of sorts. Many people parked over at Free Park and took a shuttle over.
Last year was
Okay. Ride in the bus.
My roommate and I got cardboard before we got on the bus.
Right.
And
That's right, New
then
Mexican is
over at
hot air
the San
balloon
Isidro
or
crossing,
helicopter.
we walked down into the riverbed.
I think the
This week has
Signing
been
in.
painted throughout the week, or throughout the previous Tuesdays and
Santa Fe
Thursdays,
Amphitheater.
mostly by high school students.
Ground, on the ground.
The action was sort of coordinated, but it's hard to do with so many people, but it involved us turning the cardboard from the brown side to the blue side to simulate a living river. According to aerial estimates, about 1,200 people showed up. And I think this is a joke. This is what it looks like from space, and that's this week's Gallery Docker.